Right.
Jikjela mkhonto jikjela. Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Maqabane. Nonke maqabane kaMshuluzi. Kakhulukazi ePaso Phungula zone njengoba umuntu ekhuluma la kule zone. Sinomsebenzi omkhulu usuku seliphumile umhla ka4 November. Njengoba umhla ka4 November sithi bonke abantu abawumkhonto wesizwe ePaso Phungula zone nalabo abangawasiwona umkhonto wesizwe ePaso Phungula zone sithi sekuphelile ke njengamanje ukukhuluma usuku selifikile and ufika njenge bottom up approach ngokwenhloso enkulu MK inhloso enkulu yomkhonto ukuthatha izwe so lokho kuqala ku local government ukuqala ukuthi asiqale sikhuluma ukuthi kuhulumeni basekhaya asibathathe bona aqala ukuze silungisele u2029 efaye sikwenzeke kulo November lo nomkhulu lawo konke is to remember the 1976 50 years ago abantwana abaseSoweto ababelela inkululeko yomuntu omnyama ngokupheleleyo ukuthi nathi nje abantu abamnyama sithandaneni umkhonto usuwakhiwe ufuna u2/3 majority umasipala omkhulu nawo wonke umasipala kwaZulu-Natal oyimetro municipality asuthatheni maqabane asuthatheni ukuthi sithandene abantu phezulu kwama values omkhonto wesizwe ukuthi abuntu ebantwini qualify siqala lokhulunga konke ke ma members omkhonto wesizwe i-mainstream media sayazi ukuthi ayisithandi ikhuluma their own vision of the story or their own vision thina sine vision yethu ukuthi sibuyise isithunzi somuntu omnyama sibuyise umhlaba womuntu omnyama sikwazi ukuqinisa ukuthi nathi siyakwazi ukucabanga once we free the mind we will free the land so asibuyise ukuthi let's support our own the black rand must rotate amongst the black sands so obviously Khaya TV yethu asubscribe kuyona kuze sizokwazi ukuthi inhloso yethu nevision esinayo ikwazi ukwaziwa wonke umuntu omnyama eSouth Africa yonke jikelele neAfrica yonke iphelele ukuthi abantu base South Africa abantu bayavuka bayithatha sithi we replace ballot we replace bullet with ballot that's the only way that's the only power esinayo sizokwenza nalokho ukuthi wonke ama resources asilekelelayo ukuthi umbono wethu esinawo ujulileyo ngokubuyisela izinto kubantu ukwazi ukuthola yibo bonke abantu ngokwama media njengawethu asubscribe ke la ku Khaya TV mandla nyakanyaka siyathatha ngikuthatha inkinga ke lesibhekene nayo kufanele ibethile esiba nabo umlimi ayikho incommunity lezikhuluma ngeqoqalo overview ukuthi umkhonto uyazondwa usaba ukuba ingxenye yokuzonda umkhonto ngoba ukuzonda komkhonto uzonda wena qobo lwakho umkhonto uzondwa izwe lonke usale wena uba ingxenye yokuzonda umkhonto ngoba umkhonto awuthandi yibo bonke abangafuni ukuthi umuntu omnyama akhululeke so musu uba ingxenye ukuthi singakhululeki already ke nje ijustice umuntu omnyama seyile kakhulu for past 400 years umuntu omnyama engene yiyona so singabala nje uma ngibala nje nami ngichatha isibheke pain uma ukuthi anikwazi ukubala ukuthi black pain uzona ngoba nithuli uzothi mangibala black pain uma ngibala ukuthi black pain ukushoda ngamanzi black pain ungasebenzi black pain ukuhlupheka black pain ukureshwa kwabantu black pain ukuntshontshwa kwezinto zethu black pain so bafundisa black pain seseyidlule ikhathi esiningi so kusezandleni zethu ngomkhonto ukuqeda uhlungu esinayo njengabantu abamnyama sizinke dama nje asinamhlaba sinazi ukuthi nje so umkhonto usamile into yayo two-third majority no matter what singaxabana sixabane emavidini mawadi wezalwa la sibizwa kwathiwa sihlanganeni wadi sesikhuluma ngendaba yewadi siyahlanga sikhulume ngento sixabane masikhuluma inhlangano wezulu singezwani senze kodwa ukuthi sohlangana kuyo umkhonto ngulo sihlanganisayo sikholwa yonke into sohlangana njengomkhonto wenzani sixabane siphele emawadini izoni mayisibiza sohlangana ezonini sokhuluma inkinga esibhekene nazo kumawadi ngoba siyazi izoni isiphathele indaba ephuma kuregion iregion kufanele iyazi ukuthi mayiphila izophila ngoba ama-sub-region okungamazoni sixabane siphele kumazoni kodwa masiya ku-region siya nge-one voice ngoba i-region isuke iphethe indaba ephuma ku-province i-province eyithathe sithathe ku-national siye in one block so ngicala ishayile izandla ama-province ngicala iphindele izandla it has shown us as this leadership yase-Passport ukuthi ngampela uma sila esikoleni siyafundisa and nabonakala-ke niphasa ama-student ngomhla ka-19 azange si-interferenishe the process sokukhetha ama-delegates wenu ngomhla ka-15 we never interfered with your own processes ngomhla ka-15 before ngomhla ka-19 you do it on your own safika ngomhla ka-19 ku-regional process eyayilokhuzwa izofacilitated by national and the province azange sizo-interferishe the process sobabili la sakhishwa ngaphandle sayidini umthetho washaywa lapha sawulalela kodwa nahamba naye ku-process nafike nawina shayini izandla ngoba principle iyodwa there will be nothing about us without us. That's what you were saying. Ukuthi niyakwazi ukuba umphumela yase-Passport fanele kuhambe ngawo. That's a contract motionality nayo as i-Passport. Anginikezi ke report ofayithula nobhala but I'm just giving you a highlight yeyimanga enzenzayo. Ngoba nineyimanga ngoba niyavumelana ukuze kukhale labanye abantu kwamanye amazwe kuthiwa kodwa azokhala ukuba yi-passport. Abazi ukuthi wayini pain. Yes. Silwa sikhwemba kodwa masithi njengamanje siyayifasa sikhuluma ngento eyodwa. Sathi masisuka lapha ePark, sathi masasingena sesikhomba indlela wonke umuntu wakhala bathi lapho labo bantu bakhala bathi that's labantu bane-magic touch. It's because kombe you are magic yourself. Ngoba ukuba khona kwakho la kule meeting, if you compare the meeting of yesterday and today meeting, it shows ukuthi nezinye izinto zenu nje yazi into zenu ezisimanga kodwa ngoba nesimanga nilungile ngoba ninje nimnandi ninje sithanda ninje ngoba siyazi ukuthi umhla ka4 uphumile futhi upass4 and ipass4 futhi izowina wonke amawadi ngoba sizoyikhohla zonke insisi zethu sibheke lezi zethu futhi nazo zonke nje kanamanje zokuthi semawadi mfake phuma umuntu oyedwa and lo muntu oyedwa uzophuma noma ngabe kuthiwa uthwele lo muntu ukulento kuthiwa indlela yesibili. There's no more indlela yesibili ayisekho iphume ngakathi kwezulu announcement comrade wena sahleli in your own corner and say ulibula umuntu wendlela yesibili namanga uyayikhohlisa komite sendlule kuleyo nto we are in the election mood njengamanje. Whatever is going to happen in the past 4, we must show the world, we must show the nation, we must show the province, we must show the region ukuthi past 4 uma sekuthiwa ulayini yilo engiyawuqondisa any event ezokwenzakala emlanzi siyakuyona sonke siseyinhlungu sinjalo uma uthi event ikhishwe eqaleni kuzale abantu abayibiza ukuthi bayindlela yesibili begqoka umkhondo sonke simkhonda siyakhona and we expect the same ukuthi nawo uma senze iprogram siyasonke njengomkhonto until umhla ka4 November and then singaqala sinaphazana after 4 November ngoba iproblem ezoba khona whatever positive result or negative result is going to be faced by us. Kuzobe kuyiburden yethu thina esilayindlini esizibiza ukuthi siyalandela ama-protocols silandela ama-structures uma kuthiwa sidliwe nje kuthiwa yilaba abadliweyo. So that's why fanele sibeke ukungezwani kwethu eceleni sithi sibeka umkhonto phambili kubuhlungu kunjalo ngoba umthwalo sibhekene nawo njalo manje ukuthi the region had a responsibility ukuthi izo-appointa the new leadership task team yezulu which must be us or ngaba abanye abantu and abantu abazobekwa sizobalandela but current bengakabekwa siyaqhubeka nomsebenzi ngoba nomfundisi ulindwa ngani vele leyo process ayikakapheleli ayikakenziwa unobhala uzoyithula i-articulate but the moment base-Twitter team yase-past 4 yamenyezelwa kuthiwa asikho thina sinomsebenzi wokuthi sonke sibalandele abantu abamezelweni asina-choice and siyalekelela ukuthi ama-program kufanele wenziwe asiwenze kanye nabo lawo abantu abazobe kuthiwa ba-electhiwe the task team of the zone. Task team yamazoni i-responsibility ye-province kanye ne-region. Task team of the region was the responsibility of the national and the province. Sika uma-stage esikhona, that's the political dynamics esibhekene nawo ukuthi umkhonto is a unique thing, is a unique form of organization ekhuluma ngethu to comply and complain later. We have complied with all internal processes ethu and futhi njengamanje sisele ku-complain ngoba sisele sodwa it seems that we are in islands this past 4 khula zone but angabe semgamanga ngibhala manje ngathi ngiyafuna ukungena lento kanti ngibabeke manje jikjela mkhonto jikjela complete e-past 4 sicala comply uma sisidanbiza lize ngakhona and ngizobe ngikhuluma ukuthi niyawazi umkhonto akusithini esila umkhonto yinina nabo bonke abantu abalandela umkhonto abalandela i-constitution yomkhonto yile nto ekhona njengamanje ukuthi abantu abakumkhonto bazama ukuqhathwa kwizwe lonke kodwa baqhathile kunaloko zibuye sizale ngabusha sibe lento esiyona namhlanje ngoba sibiza ikhona size emhlanganweni abantu beze emhlanganweni namhlanje ngoba bazothatha imashini order yokuthi siya kanjani ukhethiwe jikjela mkhonto jikjela